6.67.
Alright, he's not.
Wow.
He ties your personal best though.
Wow, he was big.
He ties it.
I swear my camera's on that whole time.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
Camera's on at all?
No.
Wow, there he is, guys. Look at that tank. Can I get a picture of that fish?
Dang, dog.
Can I get a picture at
You know
least?
I'm gonna take a great photo.
Let me get a photo of this thing, bro. What a tank, guys.
What's your phone?
Look at that thing, guys. What a giant fish. Wow. Wow. Look at this tank, bass.
Hold on, I'm not gonna be able to send this until I go pay my bill later too. Oh man, my fucking sheet's taking forever. Hold on. I don't like it. That's it. What a fucking what a jumbo.
What a brute. I'm putting him back in.
What a jumbo. I got the whole thing on camera.
What a pic. I thought mine was on. I must have turned it off.
Pass me the scale.
When I hooked up, I turned it off.
Just leave it. Just let it fucking drain the battery. Oh, you can't.
That sucked. What a pig. What a pig, bro.
You need to bring both.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just dropped in. There's the team ahead of me up there. We got Peacock, Pete, Vinny. We got D Nasty fishing with us again this morning. We're out here. I'm gonna try to hang me a 8+ pounder for the G Money Strong 2018 Fall Fishing Tournament. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna get epic. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Hopefully I can hook an 8+, because as you guys seen, if anybody's following the tournament, Peacock Pete's got a 6.90, which is a pretty good fish to try to beat. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens. Ram him through there, ram him. Dang.
That's why I heard him right there, because they went through that.
Come on, guys, let's go. D Nasty, hurry up. There's a lot of bush over there. Oh, this is perfect right here. This is what's good about a kayak, guys. Skinny water riding. We're in that skinny water. We ain't got no fish yet, but we are in that skinny water, guys. Stay tuned for the action. Come on, let's go, skinny water. All right. Giant, first fish of the morning. Solid whopper plopper fish. There's Pete. Pete has 0, and this is my first catch of the day on the whopper plopper. Look at that thing, guys. Wow, what a fish. Now, as you can see, Pete's automatically casting into my zone. Mr. Consistency over there. Check him out. That's him. Captain Consistency, baby.
I can't believe he hit the popper.
Yeah, baby.
Yo, why the fuck didn't he jump off?
Hoo. Yeah, baby. Yes. Yes. There it is. Dink City, boys, but I'm on. Hey, Pete, you want to get off the skunk? Come over here by us. Oh, you're already in my zone. Never mind. Motherfucker. You mean where the hog is? I'll put you on, bro. Come over here. Come on, Plopper, get out of this guy. Oh, whoa. This little guy almost killed me. He almost ploppered me, this little guy. He almost got ploppered just now. The guy just tried to plopper me. There he is, guys. Number 2. Another sick little bass. I got a good one, Dal. I'm on. It's a good one. He's in the weeds. I'm on him though. It's a decent. Definitely the biggest of the day. Yes. It's a small one though, but it's an upgrade. I got an upgrade, ladies and gentlemen. He's thick, bro. This little guy's thick. Hold on a second. He's angry. Oh, look at that. Look at the thickness on this little golden bass.
I don't know, man. We gotta weigh him, but he says if it ain't 4 pounds.
6.67.
Alright, he's not.
Wow.
He ties your personal best though.
Wow, he was big.
He ties it.
I swear my camera's on that whole time.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
Camera wasn't on at all?
No.
Wow, there he is, guys. Look at that tank. Can I get a picture of that fish?
Tank, dog.
Can I get a picture at
You know
least?
I'm gonna take a great photo.
Let me get a photo of this thing, bro. What a tank, guys.
What's your phone?
Look at that thing, guys. What a giant fish. Wow. Wow. Look at this tank, bass.
Hold on, I'm not gonna be able to send this until I go pay my bill later too. Oh man, my fucking shit's taking forever. Hold on. I don't like it. That's it. What a fucking what a jumbo.
What a brute. I'm putting him back in.
What a jumbo. I got the whole thing on camera.
What a pic. I thought mine was on. I must have turned it off.
Pass me the scale.
When I hooked up, I turned it off.
Just leave it. Just let it fucking drain the battery. Oh, you can't.
That sucked. What a pig. What a pig, bro.
You need to bring both.
I got him. It's a pig. I got another pig squealer. Yes. I got another good one. I'm dragging all these weeds. He might have got off. He might have got off. No, he's still on. Oh, he's not a giant, but he's still on. There's number 6. Woo! Pete! Pedro! You saw the tail, he was little my ass, baby! Yes, sir! Woo! There he is, baby. Oh, look at that, guys. Hooking donkeys out here. Ah, it's my second biggest of the day right there, guys. What a nice fish. That's a nice fish. And as big as that 6.67 I just caught, but hey, I'll take him, guys. He's still a decent fish. That's a good fish right there. I'll take him. All right. Couple photos of him, and let's get the release. Another solid fish. Whew. Too bad I got all these weeds on him. He felt a lot bigger than 3 pounds, I tell you what. Thought I had another 6. Sucks, the first one I caught, I wasn't even recording. All right. Yes. Another solid bass, guys. Number 7. Yes. Another solid bass, guys. Yes. There he is, guys. Another solid fish. I'm just making it happen today. I'm just getting a solid fish after soft. Oh, he's powerful too. What a powerful fish he is. I'm just looking into solid after solid today, guys. Let me get him off of there. Oh, you're a solid fish, buddy. Thanks for coming out, boy. You're a pig, man. I'm just hooking into solids, guys. I'm getting solid fish after solid fish. Look at that butte right there, guys. I'm just getting on some solids in here. Just taking my time. These guys passed right by here a while ago. There he is, guys. That's number 7 for today. And I'm just getting on them. I'm getting on these guys today, guys. Getting on some slosh donkeys. Alright, let's get the release on that guy. There you go, Pig City. Pig City, boys. I'm getting on out here. Beautiful fish. Number 10, guys. There's a double digit for the day. Number 10. Oh, he's a little horse. He's trying to break that mono. Alright, it's number 10. That's what I'm talking about. Just gotta make it happen, guys. Just gotta make it happen, Captain. Cinco. Number 10. Getting on them today. Alright. Pop that out of that guy's mouth. Well, I got him hooked in there good. There we go. Got him. There he is, guys. Number 10. Beautiful fish. Not a giant, but you know, I've already got a pretty good fish for the day. Wish I could have got it all on film for you guys, but I cut the camera off as I was hooking up to him. Which was pretty freaking stupid. But hey, we all make mistakes, right? It's a little guy, but that's number 12 right there. Little guy, but I'll take him. That's 12 today right there. Alright, guys. We're getting on some numbers out here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Let's go. That's what we're here for, guys. Big or small, I catch them all. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. That little guy was angry. What a little feisty eater that little guy was. Alright. Let's cast it right up along here and see if I'm not sitting over here. Oh, bad cast. Not good at all, guys. Alright, I'm paddling to get off. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, so that's a wrap. I'm out of here. It's getting a little warm now. I got 12 2 3-pounders, a 6 point, I believe 6'7" it was. I wish you guys could have seen the as I was reeling it in, but unfortunately I turned off the camera instead of turning it on, so that won't count for anything when it comes to the tournament. But yeah, I had a pretty solid day. I've been out here since 7 o'clock this morning. It's now, I don't know, 9:12 or so. Nope, I could be wrong. Give me a second. Oh, nope, it's 10:22, and that's a wrap. That's it for me. I don't know how the rest of the guys did. Fortunately, your boy has kids and he has other priorities. But I did enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week.